Good morning, class 12, accountancy period, cash flow statement. Illustration number 51, cash flow statement. A, cash flow from operating activities. B, cash flow from investing activities. And C, cash flow from financing activities. Last full length sum of this chapter. Then 2 or 3 sums we will be doing separately for financing and investing activities. So with 2 more video lectures, this lesson will be over. So now I am doing illustration number 51. Akash Limited, the name of the sum, Akash Limited. Akash Limited. I told earlier also, first what to check, years. And here years are given in reverse order, 2013, 2014. I told from where to start the sum. We will start our sum with the help of balance sheet. And the balance sheet first item is share capital. Last year 14 lakh, now 15 lakh. So what does it mean, my dear friends? Issue of shares 1 lakh rupees. Money is coming. Issue of share is our financing activity. Reserve and surplus, we have given not number. In reserve and surplus we have balancing statement of profit and loss account. Last year 1,10,000, now 2,50,000. So we always do working. 1,40,000 is net profit. It is increasing. The figure is increasing. 1,40,000. After that, long term borrowing. Long term borrowing last year 125, now 2 lakh. Long term borrowings are increasing, and long term borrowings where they come there, operating, investing or financing. I think your answer will be financing. Loan taken rupees 75,000 rupees. After that we have current liabilities, short term borrowing. In short term borrowing we have given note number 2. And in note number 2 we have bank overdraft. Last year 10,000, now 12,000. Though bank overdraft is our current liability, but in this chapter bank overdraft is a short term loan, and whenever loan is taken it becomes which activity? Financing activity. So here I will write increase in bank overdraft by 2,000 rupees. I think you are able to understand. Trade payable, current liabilities, last year 83,000, now 15,000. Current liabilities come under the second part of operating activity. Here current liabilities are decreasing. We will write over here decrease in trade payable. Whatever amount is there, we will write in outer column. And then we have short term provision. And in short term provision we have given provision for tax. And for provision for tax we have given one adjustment also. So we have to prepare ledger for it. Provision for tax. It is given in liability side. It is our liability. The opening balance of provision for tax will come on credit side. By balance brought down 11,000 rupees and closing balance on debit side 18,000 rupees. Right? Now liability side is over. Let us come to the assets. Net current assets. Non-current assets, fixed assets. In fixed we have tangible, and on tangible assets we have given not number. We have machinery less accumulated depreciation, and we have adjustment also on it. So we have to prepare ledger. Machinery account, it is our assets. To balance brought down 17 lakh rupees and closing balance is 20 lakh. To buy balance carried down 20 lakh. And accumulated depreciation 90,000. It is our part of liability. That's why opening balance will come on credit side and debit balance will come on, closing balance will come on debit side. It is given 1,40,000. In this way we are preparing ledger. And then we have given intangible assets, not number 5. Intangible assets we have given patents. Last year patents are 30,000, now it is 50. Intangible assets increasing. Whenever intangible assets increase, it becomes our which activity, dear friends? Investing activity. Purchases of patents. in mostly cases you will find that our intangible assets are reducing. Patents, goodwill, trademark, they are reducing. When they reduce, we add them over here, written off. In rare case you find they are increasing. So if they are increasing, it is purchase, it becomes investing activity. When we are purchasing patents, money is going, that's why bracket item. Now current liabilities, current investment, it will help to check our answer at last. Inventory you can do, it is current assets, part of second item. Second part of cash flow from operating activity, trade receivable, part of second part of trade operating activity, and cash and bank. It will help to check our answer. In this way we have completed our balance sheet, we have completed all notes. Now let us do adjustment. First adjustment is tax paid during the year 16. We are paying tax. When we are paying tax, our provision is increasing or decreasing? I think it is decreasing. That's why to tax paid, to bank account, 16,000 rupees we are paying. And when tax paid, it is to be deducted at last. Tax paid 16,000 rupees, bracket item. We are paying tax, money is going, that's why we are going to deduct it. Now let us close this account. Its debit is more, 34,000, credit is less, balancing figure is 23,000. What is it, my dear? Current year provision. And where this current year provision will come? Add in net profit, add provision for tax. Provision for tax 23,000. So our profit become 1,73,000. So where this profit is going to come? In operating activity, 1,73,000. Now the last adjustment is a machine whose book value is 10, accumulated depreciation 40, sold for 2,000. Now some says that we are selling a machine whose book value is, I am doing this working over here, आपको समझाने के लिए मैं working यहाँ कर रहा हूँ. Some says that book value is 10,000. Book value is 10,000. Less we always do accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation is given 40,000. It means what, my dear friends? It means our cost was 50,000. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है बुक वैल्यू कैसे आती है, कॉस्ट माइनस accumulated depreciation. That's book value. This book value is given already 10. Accumulated depreciation is given 40. It means what was the cost? 50,000. Now some say that sold for 2, less sold for 2,000 rupees. It means what is 8,000, my dear friends? It is loss for us. This working is essential. When we have given accumulated depreciation and fixed assets, then you must do this working. Now how to transfer this working in machine, accumulated depreciation and from operating activities? Let us check. I told in order to transfer this adjustment, let us check whether this machine is at book value or cost. So I will say here it is at cost. I told how can we say it is at cost? Because depreciation opening and closing both balances are given and we have took the figure before deducting depreciation. हमने जो मशीन का फिगर लिया है वो डेप्रिसिएशन से पहले है. That's why it is at cost. And depreciation account we have prepared it separately. Now, what is the cost of the machine? 50,000. So this entire 50,000 we are going to show this amount in machinery account. When you are selling machine, our machine is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. That's why entry will go on credit side. So this 50,000 is divided into 3 categories, sir. Number 1, accumulated depreciation. Number 2, sold for. And number 3, loss. How to transfer? Let us see. Now first we will write by accumulated depreciation 40,000. Then by bank account sold for 2,000. And then by loss on sale it is 8,000. You can check now. I have shown 50,000 rupees. Now second part of it, 40,000 रुपए का depreciation. This is on sold machine. Where it will come? Cross entry. It will come here. To machine, 40,000 rupees. Over. Remember, sold machine depreciation will never be added into operating activity. Let us close it, sir. 1,80,000. What is the balancing figure? 90,000. What is this, my dear friends? It is current year depreciation. And this current year depreciation we are going to add into operating activity 90,000 rupees. I think you understood. Now let us close this machine account. The total become, my dear, 20,50,000. 20,50,000. The balancing figure is 3,50,000. And what this balancing figure is? Bank account purchase. So it becomes which activity? Investing activity. Purchase of machine 3,50,000. And one more figure, sale of machine 2,000. This purchase of machine is bracket item because money is going, sale of money is coming. And what was the loss? 8,000. This will be added over here. Loss on sale of machine 8,000 rupees. So this was last sum of this chapter. Full length sum, cash flow statement. Now only two small sums we are going to do. How to calculate separately either investing activity or financing activity. Thank you very much.